Assalamu alaikum. Hello
Welcome back.
everyone. Welcome back again. Your African boys. Myself Gabs Gabi from South Sudan. Yeah,
Muhib
welcome.
from Sudan.
Yeah, today we
Assalamu
are
alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum Jamian. We are having one suggested video here by the title Maldives versus Bangladesh. That is country comparison, guys. This video I think is 2022. I don't know about 2023. Maybe some changes will be there, right?
Not that.
Not
much
that
change.
much. Yeah, only 1 year different.
Mhm.
We know little about Bangladesh, but Maldives, I don't know anything. Like I only know Maldives is kind of a tourist
Island.
place, island, right? Yeah. Most like people love to visit because it is a island.
The ocean. and
Yeah,
the view.
because of the beauty of it. But Bangladesh is like
You know,
it's
only
a big nation, so
the capital Dhaka.
yeah, it has so many things. It's one of our favorite countries so far.
Yeah, of course.
So we are going to see the comparison, and without wasting time, join the African family. Let's
Let's
go.
go.
Let's take
Nation. South Asia.
or South Asia.
North Korea. 300 kilometers.
Yeah, small country.
Yeah. Canada.
Maldives.
Maldives.
Dhaka. Maldives.
Largest city. Mali.
It's a language? Vivedi.
Delhi. Yeah, Bangladesh.
Oh, Vivedi. First time to know.
Yeah.
Sunni
You know that.
Islam, here 90%
Sunni.
Islam.
Yes, Sunni.
Sunni.
Yeah.
Also in Bangladesh, in India. In
Maldivian.
Maldivian, Bangladesh.
President Ibrahim Muhammad.
We have Sheikh Hussein
Dollar.
Sheikh Hussein
Ibrahim Muhammad.
the
Republic of Maldives.
People's Republic of Bangladesh. That's
Abdul
Abdul
Barakat.
Founder.
To 26 July 1965. 505.426 population. Not that much food.
26 July and that one 26 March.
Yeah.
The
Calling court was 960 GDP for period. Per capita 11. GDP was 13.2%. EBD by top score service 73. Donate 7.2.
export 309
309 billion.
1 billion. Export is
Revenue is high.
Main export partner.
Sri Lanka. 1.390 billion. Imports. China.
China.
Many both practice.
Both China. They have good relations. Foreign reserve.
540 million.
Billion.
Same like India. Cost of living 57%. That is Dubai. Railway network 14 kilometers. More railway. Airport 909. 2000. Went to Iraq. 142.
Country is not, it's just a tourist.
Peaceful country. We just focus on economy and the money. Temperature 21. Happiness.
So you know what Sahara?
That place is desert.
Okay guys, that was it. Like for me, it's like today at least I learned something new about Maldives. And by the way, Maldives is trending now. Maldives and India, they are trending.
Yeah. Have that small issue.
They have some issue and
government.
Yeah. So we are not here to discuss this.
Yeah.
So I came to know that the Maldives is just a small country.
Yeah.
And it's not actually we cannot even compare it. It's not near to Bangladesh when it comes to comparison. Like Bangladesh is far away.
No. Most of them in South Asia.
Yeah, all of them they are in South Asia.
but not like close.
Maldives is just kind of I can say Maldives. Or what is Maldives in short is just like all about that island.
Yeah.
Nothing much about Maldives again. I don't see anything. Because when it comes to the military, economic is very less compared to the Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Even in their military run, like there is kind of a country which is focusing on only on tourists.
Yeah.
Tourist attraction only. This is what I can say about it. And the independent is 26 July
1965.
1965 is Dhaka.
Dhaka.
Yes, and
Okay.
Maldives is 1971
Okay.
March.
Okay.
Yeah, see, this is the different.
It's my first time to know the capital of Maldives, Mali.
Mali, yeah.
Mali is country in Africa.
African country is called Mali, and yeah, they speak Divehi.
Yeah.
It's first time also for me to know that.
And the most public, all of them, like 95 Sunni Muslim.
Yeah, most of the country, the Islamic country, we can say,
Yeah,
Islamic
most of
nation. And the GDP of Bangladesh is 4
billion.
400.
400.
Yeah, 411, and Maldives one is
Yes.
very less. It's very less. So that was it. At least today we got to know something about Maldives. And love from Africa, guys. Tell us more. Let us know about Maldives
And Bangladesh.
Yeah, we want to know more. At least we know something about Bangladesh. But tell us about Maldives. Love you.
From Africa.